हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज योर कैप्टन प्रशांत। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले एक इंडियन क्रिप्टो कॉइन के बारे में जिसका नाम है पॉलीगॉन मैटिच। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। पॉलीगॉन मैटिच ये 3 इंडियन डेवलपर्स ने मिलकर 2017 में लॉन्च किया था। इंडियन डेवलपर्स जिनके नाम है जयंत कनानी, संदीप नेलवाल और अनुराग अर्जुन। So it's basically a solution to all the Ethereum problems. So currently, if you have any transaction that you want to do on Ethereum, so Ethereum basically अभी smart contracts और बहुत सारे decentralized apps develop करने के लिए use किया जाता है, but there are some issues with Ethereum which are eventually solved by Polygon. So first of all, पहला issue जो है Ethereum का वो है low transactions per second. So generally Ethereum blockchain network पे almost 30 transactions per second अभी हम कर पाते हैं, और ये सब transactions करने के लिए जो फीस, गैस फीस और ट्रांजैक्शन फीस है वो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है. इट कुड कॉस्ट अस अराउंड $10 to $20 per transaction. So it's very expensive to do a transaction on Ethereum blockchain network. Or thirdly, we have very limited options on Ethereum blockchain. So to overcome all these issues, so these 3 Indian brilliant developers came up with Polygon Matic, which use Ethereum code, and it just solves all these 3 problems. Like I said, we can see their website right here, and which mentions very thoroughly that it's just bringing the world to Ethereum. And if you drag it down here, it just mentions Polygon as Ethereum's internet of blockchain. So on their website also, they have clearly mentioned that Polygon believes in Web3 for all, and Polygon is decentralized Ethereum scaling platform that enables developers to build scalable, user-friendly dApps with low transaction fees without ever sacrificing on security. So it uses Ethereum for security. So it connects, it runs the transaction on Polygon network and then uses Ethereum for the security and minimizing all those issues. The transactions per second are high in numbers. There's very less transaction fees compared to Ethereum, where we have to spend almost $10 to $20. And also it does not sacrifice the security too. So it was launched in 2017 by these Indian developers, and right now if we see the tokenomics on Coinbase, so here it is. So currently its rank is 18th, so it's pretty decent rank, I would say, given that it was launched in 2017, and just in 5 years it has come up to this good ranking. And if you look here, the circulating supply, it is 8 billion tokens, which is this current supply, and this maximum supply is 10 billion tokens. It's mentioned rightly here, and then there's their website and everything. If we go down on the screen, and if you also look at 1 year low and highs, पिछले 1 साल का इसका लो था 25 रुपए और हाईएस्ट था 228 रुपए. So if you look at all-time price graph for Polygon, so it was launched in 2017, and then it was available for trading, I guess, from 2019. And then if you look at the current, the launch price was around 20-25 पैसे when it was available to trade, and इसका अब तक का highest was around 200 rupees, somewhere around here, in December 27, 2021. It crossed 200, 200 rupees, and that is the all-time high for Polygon, currently trading at around 46-45 rupees roughly. So this is how the price looks like. And if we look into project info, and already there are like major 80 decentralized apps which have transferred from Ethereum network to Polygon network, and token distribution and everything is here. If we look at the ratings on the website, it's should have stable outlook because it has really good user cases. It solves the issues that we currently have with Ethereum. It's slow transaction speeds, more transaction charges, and very limited options, as it is a very complex network comparatively. And so if we look at the ratings here, Polygon report highlights, we can definitely see the grading is B for it. So it's all the token summary and analysis, and yeah, pretty much everything about the coin. So currently the full market cap is also very high. If you look at the market cap, current market cap too, and again if you look out on their website, there are like various solutions called Polygon POS, Polygon Midden, and everything. There's so many day apps that are actually preferring Polygon over Ethereum. If we have to look for the fundings, so total fund, they have done 2 funding rounds till now, and they have raised around $4.2 million dollars funding till date. And the recent funding was around 1st of February 2021. They have around 8 number of investors. These are the investors, and just yesterday there was news regarding Coinbase supporting Polygon and Solana transactions, as the platform said it's going to allow customers to send and receive cryptocurrency on multiple networks starting with Polygon and Solana. Because using the traditional Ethereum, it's very like I said, it is very complicated. It costs a user around $10 to $20, and it takes a lot of time as well. So overcome all these things, they have clearly mentioned the cost of using Ethereum is driving users towards cheaper overlay systems or alternative networks. It can cost over $10 on transaction fees. So they are just allowing users, they are going to allow users to use Polygon and Solana right now for in order to send or receive cryptocurrencies. So that's basically a very big news if we in the context of Polygon, and it could simply add up to its value. And I see very potential in this particular project, not only because it is backed by Indian developers, it is created by Indian company, but also it has actually solved many problems that Ethereum currently lacks, and that's why I feel it will potentially come to a good amount of price in future. Currently it's trading at 46 rupees. So the current crash which is going in market due to several reasons like uh, Russia-Ukraine war and all other stuff has affected the crypto market, just like it has affected the stock market too. So I hope I have clarified about Polygon Matic, and do let me know how you felt about the video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.